So finally finished with the Raglan as well. I've used temporary POM gear here, but I also made a new gear, so this will go on here. This is of course to connect the longitudinal feed and cross feed to the lead screw here. When doing so, it means to drive the lead screw or release that and drive this independently. Okay. There is of course a cover here also, and several change gears. The machine has a 3-phase motor and a switch here that enables both reverse and forward run. And with the tumbler reverse here, we can have feed in both directions, both for cross and power longitudinal feed, plus the lead screw of course. Now I've chosen to independently just use the feed rod, so this is no longer used. I can then use this for longitudinal feed, and this for cross feed. At the same time, and it has stepless RPM change. Switching in the lead screw, taking off the cover. We can then just slide this in. Now this will be driving both. Reverse. Or just the so there we are. And the gearing here, you see the belt here. If I up the RPM, it also has a back gear which is connected. I'm going to switch this, first of all finding the correct position and pulling out, I think. Yes, you select the gear here and then you pull the pin out like this. Now we have reduced speed.